In this video, I'd like to recommend how I would use our platform to a consortium of universities, training institutions, workforce organizations, or simply companies. Last year, I did a similar video. I would like to introduce the new additions, and all I've been working on this platform for more than a decade. Skills Label is a system. Skills Culture is the mindset. Skills-based approach is the methodology. Each is supported with a book, a website, and applications. Skills-based approach is a methodology. Learners and workers constantly cycle through 4 stages involving skill set, tasks, objectives, platforms, and credentials. The methodology connects learning laterally across subjects and disciplines and vertically across education and career stages. Skills Label is a patent-pending system to manage and track skills. Recently, many of the claims in the patent were allowed. The tagline sums up the goals succinctly. Map learning and skills, map jobs and skills, combine them to create pathways. Much of the focus the last couple of years is on Skills Label, pure application of the themes in skills-based approach and skills culture. The system sets a standard for representing learning expectations and job requirements and skills. So a goal is to get this on all platforms and devices. The platform is sufficiently built on the website for desktop and mobile, and there are apps for Windows 10 and Google Android. I like to use the framework on Google Android to introduce the system. The way the apps are separated does a good job showing how the systems work. To the left, you have the learners and workers, and its tasking and course room management with the collections and syllabus app. In the middle, for the both learners and practitioners, you can manage profiles and teams, and there's a search that returns learning course and job labels. And on the right side, you have the practitioners building a course, curriculum, or training modules with the Create Dashboard and Page tab. A light LMS with the My Labels app. Constructing learning pathways with the dashboards and Page. And there's so many other use cases and functions. Skills Culture complements the Skills Label system with a very human-centered ideology. The ethos is every experience is an opportunity to apply skills. This means being conscientious and in the moment to apply skills properly. This graphic of students working in a library is a great example. Students in a meeting are applying skills rapidly in short intervals. Similarly, a teleconferencing student on a computer is applying his skills. Another example I like to use, and truly innovative spin of Skills Culture, is the common New Year's resolution, go learn a new skill. Well, I suggest adopting a skills culture. Practice skills every day, and more importantly, you should know you are. It's better, rather than learn a new skill, learn 5 skills and master 1 skill. You should agree to reskilling, upskilling, because it's a requirement for all workers. So how would a group of universities, companies, and workforces use this platform? Well, my suggestions, which are not technically mutually inclusive, though I hope that convinced you that there's benefit in making them mutually inclusive, are as follows. First, get the book Skills-Based Approach at cost or free and give it to the learners, workers, and practitioners. It's a practical guide. There's a starter app in Google Android to kind of see how it works. Similarly, get the book of Skills Culture. There's a substantial blog on the website and social media presence. It's got over 150,000 views. The goal is to move the website to a community and to share best practices. And then the following 3 are using the Skills Label platform. So get practitioners mapping learning and skills, creating learning and course labels. This is teachers, professors, trainers, and even those creating the resources, feeding them, like game creators and people writing the books. Get employers mapping jobs in skills, so creating the job labels. And then start combining the 2 together to create the pathways for the curriculum designers, the colleges, the career centers, and workforce development organizations. The best way to learn more is to visit the websites, follow in social media, purchase the books, and try the apps. Contact us anytime for a free consultation.